All right, guys. So welcome to this live session here with your host Dre Day FX. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the forex indices and middle markets. Hope everyone had a great morning here. Happy Halloween to anyone that is celebrating this day. And if you have kids, make sure to do some trick or treats with them and enjoying your weekend here. So let's get on to it. So let's look at the news calendar. We are still in the government shutdown as always. So seems that what I heard is that there's some pressure here for the governors, local governors here to open up the government here, especially for the SNAP payment here that may not go through, but we may also have some relief from the president here that may use the tariff payments here that they receive to pay out the SNAP payment. So we'll see exactly how it's gonna go here over the weekend, especially on Monday. But for now, no news for the US. So we had some Euro news here overall this morning at around 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we had some German news also. But other than that, and also CAD, the GDP month to month minus 2%, minus 3%. We're expecting 0%. Last Monday was at 3% positive, so it's 3% negative. So that's really bad here for the Canadian dollar. But other than that, we have a few FOMC speakers here, and that's pretty much it. So government certainly is still ongoing here. So that's good. So let's get on to the TV Alert app. So TV Alert app is an application that I created here to provide you with the institutional liquidity here in the market. So basically how it works is that you're going to receive alerts here that is coming from my TradingView indicator to that application, and it'll provide you with the direction, the price of the entry, and the symbol. And also you have some news article here from Bloomberg. So if you want to have some more details here of the US economy or the economy in general, Bloomberg is the place to be to get that info. So you could click on one of those links here and see exactly the latest news. And also you have a ticker here for the signals here for today. So today we had the France 40 for buy, we had the UK 100 for buy, and we had the UK 100 for sell. So so that was pretty much the alerts here for today. And at the bottom, also you have the TV economic calendar, so providing with the latest economic news here in the market. So for now, we don't have anything here today, so only something on Monday. So we'll see exactly if we're going to get the ISM news here. But like I said, we're still in government shutdown, so the economic data is not coming out here for at least a month. So it's been a month since we didn't have any actual news that came out here as regularly. All right, so let's get on to the trading view. All right, so trading view. So you're gonna see, I'm gonna show you exactly the indicators that I created here that provide you with multiple information. So the first one is Nova. So this is an actual trend indicator that will provide you with a trend of a bullish or bearish movement here in the market. Pretty simple to use. Sorry. Then you have FVG. edge. So this is the fair value gap in the market, and we're looking at the fair value gap here off of the 1 hour. So as you can see, we had a fair value gap right here. Price went to it and started to go down. Now we have a bullish fair value gap right now that is active also. So we'll see exactly if the price will continue to the upside here, based off of that FVG. Next, we have the high-low level. So this support and resistance level here that probably with that will provide you with the levels here that price is going to maybe bounce off of, and you can also use that high-low level to you plot your support and resistance zones. So that would be perfect on that. Next, you have MTA. So this is a multi-time frame analysis here. They'll provide you with a high, low, open, high, low, close information on a dashboard. Right now, I close the dashboard, but in the background, you have the actual previous day's high, previous day's low, and a median price. So you can see exactly where we're at here compared to yesterday's movement. So instead of going on the daily and look at the open close of the candle, it will provide you with details here right there. All right. Next is POC and VWAP. So point of control, evaluated average price. So that will provide you with the point of control and the volume weighted average price. So pretty simple. If the price is trading under those lines, that means that we're bearish. If it's trading over those lines, that means bullish. And if you see the POC and VWAP that is pretty much at the same level as we're seeing right now, we may have a big reaction off of those levels here. All right. And finally, we have the EMX with Nova. And for this, I'm just going to go on the Russell NASDAQ. We're going to go NASDAQ. So it's going to load. There we go. So basically, this is the first indicator that you saw at the beginning. So it's the Nova that will provide you with a trend. And then if we have an actual setup here in regards to the average directional index, there's a natural pattern that I'm waiting for to confirm an actual continuation here to the downside, to the upside. And if it's aligned with the actual trend, it will provide you with a signal. And as you can see, the latest signal here was a sell, and that was on Thursday morning, basically before London open on NASDAQ. And we had a sell, and price went down and started to reverse here at this point. So the option is to take the trade and wait until we reverse for the bullishness in the market, or you could look at the TP zones and get out based off of that. All right, so that's pretty much it here. So for our session here, we're going to open in POC and VWAP and the directional Nova. All right, and we're going to focusing on US30. So it's Friday, so we may have some setups here, but like I said, usually on Fridays, I don't take trades. But if we have something that makes sense, we're going to take it. It's not going to be a long live also on Friday. So within 20 minutes, we should be done here in regards to trading. So if you have any questions, guys, put them in the chat, and I'll be glad to answer them. And the way that I'm looking at the market and analyze the market, I pretty much here at 9:15, wait for market to open. waiting for my signals here that I receive on TV Alert app. See exactly if it makes sense to take the trade. I take the trade. Within 30 to 45 minutes, I should be done trading. That's pretty much what I do, and I rinse and repeat each and every day. So yeah, so that's pretty much the gist of it here. So we have less than 3 minutes before market open. I'm gonna start to eat my apple. In the meanwhile, I'm just going to look at French 40. It says it was a buy on French 40, and I was at 401. So 401, that was pretty much it. But now the price started to reverse, so that was not good. So that's why I say always wait. Sometimes it's gonna give you the alert, but sometimes the price will retrace, and if it does that, to confirm the bullishness in the market, the candle needs to close above the cloud. So if it's closing under the cloud, that means that we're still bearish. And as you could see, we're still bearish here after that signal that came in at 401. So price was still going down. UK 100. Let's see here. UK 100. We had originally it was a sell, and then we went to a buy. So the sell was at 402, 27 seconds. And after that, 409, 22 seconds. So 402. Or two. So same thing. So we had this sell right here. I'm just gonna check. So we had a buy. So 409, 42, 49. So 42. So we had a sell here, and then we had a buy at near the top here, but it was a sell overall. So that's why the original signal was good, but it started to reach above the cloud, but it didn't close above the cloud. So that first sell that came in at 402 was the correct signal, and then the price started to go down. All right, perfect. So 9:30. So let's go on US30. Let's see exactly what's happening here. So price is going is pushing to the downside. So we're expecting to go bullish here. So what I'm waiting for is horizontal line. I'm just gonna put that on that level here. So this is basically the line that I just put was actually the cloud level for that cell that we had here. So as long as it's passing above this line, it should be bullish here. So basically, you have two lines to look at. Is this level right here, and you have this level above. So currently we're in a bullish trend, but see exactly if it wants to pass those two levels here.
Sell Russell 2000 at price.
So Russell 2000 is a sell.
57.7 on 15 minutes time frame at time 9 hours 32 minutes and 58 seconds.
So Russell 2000 is a sell right now. Let's look at Russell 2000. All right, so Russell 2000 is going towards that level. So like I said, we had the signal here for a sell, but the price didn't close below. Didn't close below. All right, so US30, we have a buy here. But we're gonna wait. He may switch for a sell after that, but so US30 is a buy and Russell is a sell. So now it's currently hesitating a little bit. Elion, hope you have a great day. I have 50K Alcyon. Okay, nice. All right, perfect. So you were able to use it with crypto. So that's great. Congrats. So congrats on getting your 50K account and make sure to take your time. All right. Take your time to take those trades. All right. So it's not Russell 2000 is a buy now. So we have US30 for a buy and Russell for a buy. Like I'm saying, I'm still waiting for price to give us something here. It's currently hesitating here. Maybe it's going to continue to do the downside, but So 6 minutes past the market open. So the levels that the lines that I put in is the actual level here that the price needs to reach. So S&P 500 is a sell. So this is basically on US30. It's the levels that I'm looking for in regards to getting for a buy or a sell. Even though we get the signal here, just trying to see exactly what it wants to do. But it went back down. It seems that it took some liquidity at the bottom here. But it wants to push to the downside right now. So it's pushing here. Let me look at Nasdaq is a sell. So currently we have the US30 for a buy. Currently it's going down right now. We have Russell for a buy. The latest one. Originally we had a sell, and we have Nasdaq and S&P 500 for a sell. So we still have less than 6 minutes here before the candle close. Less than 4 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. So if we look at the price action here, we did went down right here before that move up. So I'm just gonna put my line right here. This is the low. So now we don't know where it wants to go. So we could start to go lower, starting right here. And remember, we have to wait until that candle closed to for that trend to switch. US30 is a sell, but so I would low sell and we have US30 sell. All right, in that sell here. Just, reverse. All right. Let's look at that H1. So we should be retracing here. Oh. All right, so lost my cell. It's all good. So jump out spawn so turn it on Mac. All right. All right. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. If you have any comments here, leave them in the comment section of this live. If you're looking at it at the replay. So we got the sell signal, but like I said, price didn't close below. It went through that line, but it didn't close below. It closed above. So fortunately, was expecting to have it to close below, but I entered a little bit early and it stopped me out. That's all good. Didn't lose a lot. But right now, it's consolidating a little bit. So Nasdaq is still selling here. And US and S&P 500 also. Must help us where put it right here, but it was too. So if we look at the Nasdaq, so like I said, I'm waiting for those lines that I put here is basically the level here that the price needs to reach to close above or below to confirm the actual trend here. Right now, it's bouncing between those two lines at market open. So we started to go down here, close above that line, even though it passed it, it closed above, and now it's starting to reverse to the upside. So if it closed above those lines, that means that this trend here, the bullish trend, the buy trend, is confirmed to the upside. Let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq was a sell and seems to be going down right now. Yes, so so we had that sell signal here right about. I'm just gonna check here at what time. So the sell signal came in at look at US30 Nasdaq. It was at 9:38 my time. So basically on this candle 9:38. So that was at this candle here. So when it passed this line, we started to get that sell. So off of this cloud level, they have the sell, and we're currently in profit here if you took that trade. And same thing for S&P 500. This one came in at let's look at the calendar. So 9:38 also. So basically pretty much at the exact same time as Nasdaq. So look at the level. 9:38 is basically on this candle here. So now it's currently retracing, but this is the level to look for. Now US30 is going up. So going above this line right now. And 53. So based off of that, we have the point of control right here with VWAP. So we're gonna take a buy here and let it ride. All right, so now the level of interest here is the point of control. That will be right here. That's 47.68.6. 47.68.6. Russell is a buy right now. So let's look at H1. All right, so US30 is switching back to a buy. All right, so let's continue. It's 9:57. So 47,686. Just gonna look 47,686. All right, so I have 1 minute left. So we do have equal. We have that pin, that wick here. So that means that they went below this previous low, took out some liquidity at the bottom here. We had some liquidity at the bottom right here, but seems they want to go higher before making their move to the downside. So it's 10 o'clock right now. A new candle just started. I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit. All right. So this is basically the point. This is basically the VWAP and point of control. So I'm expecting to go, even though they went there already. Right now we have the 1 hour that just started here, the 1 hour candle that started right now. So looking to go bullish a little bit more to close out the New York session here. So I have usually on my stop, I would have put it at the wick here. That would be my indication here that that'll be the latest point that it should be going. But overall, we're still bullish here overall. All right. So NASDAQ, let's look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ was a sell, and I'm pretty sure it's in profit right now. Yeah. So NASDAQ is in profit. So we just have the new 1 hour candle that started, like I said. So this trade got in. We had the signal here, right here, and it's still going to the downside. Same thing for yeah, S&P 500 is retracing a little bit. We went to point of control right here. So we'll see exactly if it's going to pass that point of control and continue to the downside. So when I see the point of control, this is basically the average. Basically, the point of control it's used as a support and resistance zone based off of the price action of yesterday's move, and everything is coded based off of that. So let's focus on that US30. All right, so still going strong. Seems to be taking out some liquidity here at the bottom that they missed. Let me know if you're in a trade or you're just looking at the market. But overall, we had so far the best trade here is NASDAQ for a sell. US30 is playing with people right now. We're going up and down, up and down. And remember, we just started our new candle, so we should get that trend confirmation here on that 10 hour, that current 1 hour candle here. Let's see. Yeah, we took out some liquidity here at the bottom. And one of the indication here that we may continue to go to the upside is the way that the 1 hour trend is being created here. So in the long run, we should be to the upside here. So we had consolidation pretty much right here, and as you can see, we had 1 hour consolidation, and then we have a breakout pretty much right here to the upside. And price is the cloud is going higher here compared to this level here. So we have the point of control pretty much at the top right here. And price should be going higher. Stand wait. So at around 10:15, we should be closing our session here. If you have any questions, put them in the chat, guys. Look at the last. So 4 minutes left before my that candle close. All right, less than 2 minutes left. So we went back down, but doesn't seems to be closing to below to get a trend change to the downside. To have less than 2 minutes left. All right, so now it's retracing. We still have less than a minute left. And remember, this is the close of the weekly, the monthly. So 9:15. All right. So far, only Nasdaq, S&P 500 are runners right now. So if we go back here on our chart, sorry. So Nasdaq that was the entry pretty much on this candle. Well in profit right now. And S&P 500, the same thing. We had the entry pretty much here. We're at the point of control right now. So if you had taken a trade here, that would be the best time to get out here. And same thing for pretty much Nasdaq will be the same exact thing. Seems to be reversing a little bit, but it may have we should have a continuity here to the downside. We have the point of control right here. That should get us a continuation here to the downside. We do have maybe a swing low that is being created right now. So we have a retracement here towards a fib retracement right here. So swing high to swing low. All right. So we have those level here. So that's 78.6, 61.8, and 50%. So if you see that you're well in profit, better to get out of the trade here in profit, just to maybe have a better entry here to get in for a sell afterwards. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. So we're gonna close it out here right now. So thank you very much for being on this live. We'll see how the US30 will play out here during the day. We should be going bullish here. So Beside of that, wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Happy Halloween for anyone that is celebrating Halloween. And we'll be back here on Monday. Hopefully, we're gonna have some good setups here the upcoming week. And once again, Leon, congrats on getting your 50K account. Make sure you take your time here with your trades. There's no limit, no time frame to pass your challenge and anything like that. So make sure to take your time and analyze your trade accordingly. All right. So have a great rest of your weekend here, guys, and talk to you on Monday. Peace.